Is RazYS.com really the trendy fashion destination it claims to be, or just another suspicious online store trying to hook customers with flashy discounts and appealing images? In this video, we dig deep into the claims made by RazYS.com, which presents itself as a fashionable online retailer offering a wide range of clothing like tops, jeans, and seasonal wear, all tied together with an irresistible summer sale and attractive discount codes. At first glance, the site looks modern and well-designed, but looks can be deceiving. We started by checking the domain history registered back in 2022, so it's not brand new, but that alone doesn't confirm legitimacy. The business lists an address in Hong Kong, yet there's no real storefront, and the return policy is vague and hard to trust, with unclear instructions and no real customer service assurance. A reverse image search on several product pictures revealed that identical photos are being used across multiple suspicious sites, suggesting the images might be copied or stolen rather than original. This is often a major red flag in the world of e-commerce. Moreover, their social media presence raises more questions than answers. RazYS.com is only active on Pinterest, where it oddly boasts over 10 million monthly views. But there's no sign of them on Instagram or Facebook, which are essential platforms for any credible fashion brand today. On top of that, user reviews are mixed at best. Trustpilot shows a 2.9-star rating from 95 reviews, with complaints about long shipping times, poor quality, and trouble getting refunds, although a few users did report receiving their orders as expected. All in all, RazYS.com doesn't come across as a full-blown scam, but the red flags are enough to make any careful shopper hesitate. If you're thinking of buying, proceed with caution and consider the risks before entering your card details.